So now, admin. So I'm saying that if you want to get your dashboard, after typing the link to your website, just add /wp-admin like this, and this will load a page where you'll be asked for username and password. So I'll enter my username and password and I'll say login. Good. So this takes me to my dashboard. Are we together? But it's the same or it's different? Oh. That one is not the core of the dashboard. You don't need it for anything. What you need is the menu options here. This is where you use to do things. This is where you used to do things. So it's not verbatim. So now, last week when we met, or was it this week, on Thursday, we came to this stage and we went through how to create pages. I explained what a page is in website. When we say a page, I explained what pages are, right? They are just what? Pages that has different content. Just like when I pick a book, every page I flip to, there's different content. Is that not so? Similarly, if I go to your website, different content for different pages. And then we even demonstrated that when you go to UDS, School of Business website, for instance, the first page that will be loaded for you is the home page. That's it here. You see home. And that one has information that we want the visitors to see, like about us, the programs we are offering, our vision and mission, upcoming events, and what have you. But if I move away from home and I go to maybe about the school, for instance, you see different content, management, and all these things. You see, so every page you create a page and dedicate it to a certain what type of content, right? If I move away from this page and I go to mission and vision, the same thing, different content. If I move away and I go to maybe administrative, different content. If I come to faculty, faculty is taking a while to load. That one to load what? Different content. Now just take it, let's look at something here. The title of the pages will reflect the kind of content you will see. Is that not the case? So when you are building a website is basically what? A kind of online presence where people can go and learn about you. So when you are designing the number of pages you want and the type of pages you want, each page will reflect the content you are giving. So about us would mean that you put information about the organization. Home page, you put information that people should see immediately they come to your website. Contact us, you put contact information there. Blog, that's for what? News, articles, and all those things. You put that one to there for people to come and what? See. Are we together? So now in dashboard, to create pages, these pages that you are seeing, to create them, you basically go to what? Pages. You click on it. When you click on it, it will load your existing pages here. Your existing pages that you had created already will be here. So in my case, I have home, blog, about us. As for these two pages, privacy and sample page, that one was created by like setup. They are just default. They came there automatically. But those I created are these three. Right? If you want to create a new page, you just click on what? Add page. add page. And when you click on add page, it will load. Online people.
We are there.
Okay. Then when you click on add page, you will see title, right? So I'm going to create a page called contact us. After entering the title, I'll say what? Publish. And when I click on publish, it has been published. Now I'll come here and then go back to the dashboard. So this is how we create pages in WordPress. Then the next thing we did previous was that we looked at the concept of themes, 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 and we said themes are like the blueprint for your website. They help you build the website faster, right? Yes, I mentioned that. And to find a theme for a website, all you need to do is to go to appearance and you go to what? Themes. How far? Yeah. Is that a new PC? Yes. Oh, okay. Cool. Yeah, so we are recording it, so at least let's see. Will you be able to plug? So I said that in WordPress there are a lot of themes. There is a repository of themes. And to find a theme, you just go down to admin. Show me your admin. Yeah. No. See where my cursor is. Yes, add theme. That's where we add theme. There are plenty themes there. So click on add theme. When you click, it's going to load. At this stage, you need internet actually. This goes to online and loads different kinds of themes. Now you see Astra. That's the theme I installed last week. So install it and activate Astra. AstraZeneca or AstraZeneca. Yeah, the appearance you need internet because you are looking for themes. My Wi-Fi is there. Yeah, you can use that one too. You can use that one too.
In your cars, your house is away from you. But what you know and what you've learned, how to take their kids to count.
No, it's fine. After installing and activating, we are okay. Add new. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. So let's explore the pages options a bit. When you hover, we have fasting. So for pages, there are some quick options here. We have edit, quick edit trash view. For each page, when you hover your mouse on it, you see these things coming up. This thing is coming up. Is that not the case? So for edit, assuming maybe blog, I did a mistake. I just click on what? Edit. It will reopen again, and then you can edit the title back. You can come back and click here and then update. Once you are done, you come here and click on what? Save. And then you go back. Click here and go back to your dashboard. Mm. I said for each page, hover your mouse, you'll see these options. So this sample page, I don't need it, so I'm going to trash it. I'll just click on trash, but it's like this. And to be discarded. It's gone. It's gone. Have you seen? Okay. Now,
Hello, boss mother.
yes.
Yeah, please, on the edit tools, there's edit and there's quick edit. What are the differences?
What is the difference? Edit is a bigger edit, and quick edit is actually quick edit. As the name suggests, quick edit, like shortcuts or pen. So you watch something, click on it and see what will happen. Click on quick edit and you see automatically it will just that place no, it will open some a form for you to edit certain things quick. Maybe the title. So instead of me opening the whole thing, if you just give me some quick box so that I can just change my title. Maybe okay, I don't want to say about us. I want to say about. So I'll remove the us and then I click on update. And then on that same page, the updating happens. So that's quick.
Mashallah.
It's
Thank
not
you.
quicker. Solomon, you see why it's quick?
Yes.
So that's the difference. So if
Thank
I want
you.
to bring back my S, I'll just click on quick edit and then it will give me back the form for title and I'll say fine. Or even if I want to backdate the date of publish. So when you create a page, it also records the date you created the page. So you can see this page was created 12 December. So if I want to maybe backdate it to November, I'll just do that like this. And it has updated. See, November. So I'll change it back again to December. As simple as that. I don't have to click on edit and wait for it to load the whole thing before I can edit something. No. So that's the difference between the edit and quick edit. And besides to the edit, will actually give you a chance to edit the site content. So here, this area, the site content will be here, which you can edit it. But we haven't reached there yet. So right now we are just creating blank pages, pages that don't have content. We'll come and then deal with the content. Yeah, you can password is for in case you want to lock this page. You can have a page that only some people with password can access. So in that case, you use the password here. You enter a password and save. So if I give anybody, if I give the link to that person, if the person open that page, they'll ask the person for password. And when they enter, then the site will load. So if you want to make a page private, you make use of that password. Right? The view will take you to the front end of the page. Last week Tuesday, I said there is back end, there is front end. Back end is what you are seeing. What we are seeing here is back end. Front end is what the visitors will see. For example, as I went to here, there is a back end that I used to put all these things there for you to come and see. That one only me, the administrator, sees it. You don't see it. So now that we are also building our site, we are also in the back end where we are seeing, right? Good. So this view here is taking you to the front end. So what people will see about that page when they go, if I click view right now, it's going to load the front end of the page. You can see about us, but there's nothing there so far. So that's just the difference. That's the difference. So the view takes you to the front end, and then you will see whatever is there. So once you are designing and you want to look at how your design is working, you go to the view and to take you to the front end so that you too will see how others are going to see your website. The front end. So that's the purpose. Are you clear? Are we together? So now let's do some we have a place here called settings. So at the settings, we can change a lot of things there. But then what I want us to change is the permalink. Is the what? So go to settings and click on permalinks. What is permalinks? Let me search it and we'll look at the definition. So permalink in WordPress. What does it say? Permalinks in WordPress are permanent URLs for your individual posts, pages, and other content. They are crucial for user experience and search engine optimization. They help both users and search engines understand the content of your page. So now, what is an example of a permalink? Let's come here. Watch something. Let me be on the home page of this website. Have you seen the home page of this website? Look at the URL. Is there something there? Aside udssov.com, is there anything there? No. Now let me navigate to faculty page. Let me click on faculty page. Still look at the URL. What do you see? /faculty. Right? Good. Now let me move to contact us. What do you see? /contact us. So that thing that is adding and changing, that's a permalink. So every page has a permalink. That will take you from the home page to that page. So that's the permalink. Yes. Now the permalink, there are different way of naming them. You can name your permalink based on the human readable names, or it can use IDs or serials or whatever. So in WordPress, by default, these are the type of permalinks you can have. So by default, we are using the plain permalink, which will what? Give you the page ID. It will assign page IDs to every page instead of normal names. So like in our case, when I created about us, the permalink should have been /about us. But currently, if I click on the about us, look at the permalink. Page underscore ID is equals to 10. Can you memorize it? It will be difficult or easy to memorize. It will be difficult. But look at SOB own. You can easily memorize contact dash us. So you know that, oh, if I want to go to SOB's contact page, I just say udssob.com/contact dash us. Easy to memorize. So you also want this type of permalink. So if you want this kind of permalinks, you have to go to the settings, go to permalinks, and change it to what? Post name. So if you change the permalink from plain to post name, then the permalinks will now bear simple, understandable names. It can just pick the title of the page and put it there as the permalink. So change it to post name and then come down and what? Save changes. Now when you do that, have you seen permalink structure has been updated? So when you save changes, come and now see. Let me refresh the website. Let me click on about us now. Have you seen the permalink now? It's no more page underscore ID is equals to this. It's now what? About us. That's a post name kind of what? Permalink. It's the most friendlier type of permalink. So we have to always do that when you are building a website. So in our case, that is what I also did with this website, making it easy to what? Navigate. So kindly do that for your website. Change your permalinks to post name. Change your permalinks to post name. So now we have looked at pages, we have looked at themes, right? We have looked at themes, we have looked at permalinks. Now we are coming to plugins. Yes, plugins. So plugin is like the powerhouse. It's like the engine of WordPress. It's like the engine of WordPress. That is where most of the big things are being done. Most of the big things are being done. So now we need to install certain plugins. And each plugin that you are installing has a purpose, what it is coming to do in your website. So we will be installing some series of plugins. But first of all, let's look at the definition of plugin. I like to always hear how Google explains certain things. So I'll just search plugin in WordPress. So what is it saying? A WordPress plugin is a software application that adds new features, functionality, and integrations to a WordPress website without requiring you to write code. Right? So you can add features, functions, and any integration into your website, your WordPress site, without you even having to go and touch any code. That's what plugins does for you. Yes, that's what. And there are over 50,000. There are over 50,000 free plugins in the official WordPress.org plugin directory, along with thousands of premium paid options. So what do plugins do? Plugins are like what? Apps for your website. They extend its what capabilities. Example, e-commerce. So if I want right now, as we just install WordPress, our website doesn't have e-commerce out of the box. But I can go and download an e-commerce plugin and come and install. After I install, the website now becomes an e-commerce website. I can now put products, add prices, add payments, and then people can come and order and pay just with one plugin. Yes. And you don't even have to code anything. Just one plugin will add all those features for you. Yes. So that's the purpose of plugins. And many, many more. So see, this is the one I want you guys to pay attention to. Have you seen page builders? We have certain plugins that are called what? Page builders. So these plugins are designed to give you access to creating a page by basically dragging.
Hello. Please, the page is frozen and we can't hear. Is everything okay?
Solomon.
Yeah, it's back now.
Yeah, but is the page frozen?
No, the page is now active.
Yeah, okay.
But the sound
Yeah,
is
it's my
not as
sound
normal.
because
Okay.
the mic was a bit low. So let's manage with this. I'll charge it in the next 2 minutes and I'll on it again. All right, so back to our website. So with all these good things about plugins, how do you install plugins or use them in your website? First of all, you go to plugins here, click on it, plugins. And when you click on plugins, by default, it will load some default plugins that WordPress comes with when you did the installation. But we don't need these plugins. Now to add a plugin, you go up here. You see add plugin. Here, where my cursor is, add plugin. You click on that one. Add plugin. Now when you click on add plugin, the key thing you will see are a list of featured plugins. So all these are plugins and they have a purpose. Yes, but let's look for a certain plugin. There's a plugin called Classic. Classic Editor. Classic Editor. So you just search Classic and it will come as a first plugin. Once again, you need internet at this stage because you are dealing with external repositories, so you need internet. Take note of the places you will need internet. The themes area, but plugin area, need internet. So when you see Classic, this is it, Classic Editor, just click on install. If you install a plugin, you just need to click on install. You see installing, wait for a few minutes, it will finish installing. Once it finishes, it will tend to what? Activate. When you activate. So when you activate, it will come. You do not have enough. I have enough data. Is there any question regarding installing a plugin? Activate it, please. You have to activate, please. It's a two-step process, just like you did with the Teams. Install, activate. Log into you, install, activate. Yes. Question. You can remove it. You can. Yes, you deactivate and remove. It's there. So watch. Let me just do a quick dive here. You see, I have this theme here. If I click on team details, where is it? Team details, I should see the activation. Okay, hold on. I think I can. Okay, so when I activate this one, for instance, 2025, earlier my team is Astra. That's the active team. So I will activate a different one. And when I do that, this one will be free for me to delete. Like it will shift. It will deactivate this one and not activate this. So now you watch here. Team details. I should see delete button here. Any team that is not active will be deleted. This is plugin or teams. Oh, okay. So let me activate my team back and go to plugin. Yeah, you can do the same, just like pages. You the way you did for pages, you check. Let me know if you have figured that out. Have you seen delete? So long as it's not active, you can delete it. So to delete an active theme, you have to deactivate it first. So you can know. Are we together? You're driving closer to the real deal. The next plugin that I want us to install called Elementor. First of all, let's look at it, what it is. This is the name, Elementor. Ele what? Mhm. This is their website. So Elementor is a free website builder that makes it easy for anyone to create a website or online store. No coding needed. Start creating now. So let's dive deep into it and see what we can do. Maybe I'll call you back, but that's not good. So look at how Elementor works. They are not coding. They're just looking, driving, dropping, using things. And this will give you, this is your tool area. And this is the preview of your website. Like you'll be using this to customize this. In real time, you'll be seeing what is happening. Mm. That's Elementor. This is the tool you need. Mm. Everything you need. All these are things that have been built with Elementor. Yeah, so we need Elementor. Don't we need it? We need it. So add plugin. Everybody should add Elementor as a plugin to their website. If you're already on the place, then you search. Hmm? If you're already at where we if you are already clicked add plugin, you are there already, you can just search. If you're not there, you start. Because you're not there, you're not at where we add plugins. That's why you are not seeing. You're at list of plugins. Hmm. This is where you search. So where you are searching, you are searching for already installed plugins. No, you are at list of already installed. So now Elementor, find the one that says Elementor website builder, more than just a page builder. So install it and activate, just like we did. Yeah, there's pro version, but we are using only the free one. We don't have money to buy, but the free one self is enough. It's when you are now doing big things, and then you go for the pro. Yes. And they are giving you complex work that involves complex money, then you go and buy. But right now, they just need the simple. So you see, mine has installed, so I'll proceed to activate. Don't do same. Once you finish installing, you activate, and then it goes. The senior lecturer is in, so going to start wrapping up. Okay, Elementor is installed, right? It's installed, isn't it? That's still installed. Let's see how our website is looking. Okay. So after, I want you to notice something here. After you activate Elementor, you will see it will introduce new items, options for you. Those options were not there previously when you installed templates and Elementor. It was not there, but after I installed, it has come. Those are the new features and things we are talking about. So now I'll use them to do one or two things. Yes. So everybody has installed, right? If you are done installing, activating, go back to your pages, and then let's start with home page. Click on edit. Now when you click on edit, it will look different. Go back to pages again. We are going to edit our home page now. So go to pages, and you'll see the pages listed like this. And now you click on what? Now we are editing the home page. So I'll click on edit for the home page. Then now you see the option edit with Elementor. Good. So edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor. So click on it, edit with Elementor. And you just wait a while for it to open the editor for you. So in the beginning, you may see these notifications that are just storing you around. So now Elementor has some cool features here. You see, we have this plus symbol and a folder and another option here. The third one is what? Build with AI. We'll use that feature for now. I'll use it later. Yes, it's also a very cool feature. You just describe the page you want, and then it's AI will build the page for you. Okay. Okay. This is Elementor. So those things popping up, just keep right. That same notification is. So quick navigation. Let's explore the toolbox. So here, these are toolbox that are being used in the website. But now click on this folder icon. Click on a folder icon. To load the library. Switch to pages. Now when you switch to pages, these are all pages, page designs. Some of the designs are pro. Those without the pro icon are what? Free. So we are going to pick I want to pick a certain design layout. Just for start. So this first one, you see the first one here. Click on insert. Get started. When you click on insert, it will ask you to what? Get started. You see get started. I lost. Which forest? Please help him. You have passed where he is. Next, Professor. Professor is don't see the screen. Yes. And after that, it didn't skip to see. Maybe there was some frequency. I think just move the thing. It was all the way throughout. So when you're on this page, just do a sign in, quick sign in. It's a requirement by Elementor. Just do it. You do it once. That's all. So just do it. So I'm going to sign in with one of my emails. You know, Solomon.
Yes, please.
They say, are you following?
I'm following. No, I'm following.
Okay. So when you sign in, if you see an error that says user does not exist, just click on create an account. Then you continue with the sign in. You see that especially if you are a new user. I'll say connect. After signing, I'll say connect. So after the connection is successful, you go back to your previous tab and then you see apply. You see this pop-up. Just say apply. So now it has brought us a template. So at this stage, we are going to now be making changes. Putting pictures here, changing text here, updating this text, changing this image, changing this message, blah blah blah, all the way. Once we are done, we've gone too far, so we'll pause here. Let's try to sign in and connect your website with your email. Then we'll pause. Yeah, so click on create account. There's create account up there. Listen, use that to sign in. So on top here, you see different screen sizes. Use this to see how your website will look on mobile and tablets. Desktop. So when I click here, that's desktop. If I click here, that's tablet. If I click here, that's phone. So you see how people will see your website on phone, tablet. Yes. Sign in with primary key. This is your one is your. How do you log in? Let me see. something went wrong. Use your fingerprint, face, or stamp. Don't even use browser. Check your galaxy, blah blah blah. You just need to check your phone. There's an option. Okay. Have you approved? This one there is just the logo. I'll come back. What does not exist? Anytime you are using Elementor, you connect SIM account. Yeah. So I think this stage will pause. This will catch up within the week. We can catch up 2 times a week. If I have the time. Once you can catch up 2 times, 3 times, even if it's 30 minutes, for us to just do something small. Okay. Online, any question?
Oh, yeah, then.
No, not yet.
Huh?
I'll be. How far? I said I'll call you to ask you how far, Kara. So on top here, have you seen publish? Click that one, publish. Stop. Click publish. After clicking publish, you see that it will not to be faded. So click publish. Any change you do, the publish will activate. You click publish to update. So now it is published. Have you seen now it's faded? So to see how the site will look, you click on eye symbol. There's an eye symbol there. Click on it. Load your site. This is how people will see your website. This is how people will see your website when they come. So right now we have blank images, messed up text, all these things. The next thing we'll look at is how to change this text and everything, add images to make it look like yours website. That's the next thing we'll be looking at. Okay. Any question? Online squad. Online squad.
Boss Mother, we are here.
Yeah, so are there any questions?
No, please.
All right, so I want us to pause here and then let's meet within the week and then continue. So where we have reached, we are yeah, I would have preferred to meet 2 times. That way we can speed up. Even if it's 30 minutes. There's this part. So from this stage, every page you create, this is the process you follow. So we'll pick different templates and customize them. At the end, they will have a complete website. We cannot see. We have gone past you. We have gone past you. You are there. He's there. That's why it's the same. It's the same. This is what I'm saying. This is what it's the same thing I'm saying. This one? Where? I'm referring to here. And this was the editing page. And this is the preview page. Okay, so guys, this brings us to the end of the day. Yeah, plenty in a short period. Now the day is over. So thank you so much for your time. I'll pause the